a tiny piece of steel, yet sharp enough to perform life-saving surgeries. But how is a surgical blade actually made? Let's step inside a factory and discover the fascinating process. The process begins with high-quality, medical-grade stainless steel. Large steel coils arrive at the factory and are prepared for production. The steel coils are unrolled into thin sheets. Automated rollers feed the metal smoothly into precision machines. A powerful hydraulic press cuts the steel sheet into blade shapes. These pieces are called blade blanks. The blade blanks enter a high-temperature furnace. Extreme heat strengthens the steel and increases its hardness. After heating, the blades are rapidly cooled. This process improves the strength and durability of the metal. Grinding machines carefully shape the blade edges. Microscopic layers of metal are removed to form the cutting edge. Next, the blades undergo ultra-fine sharpening. This creates an extremely thin and razor-sharp edge. Each blade is carefully inspected using microscopes and scanners. Only perfect blades pass this strict quality control. Finally, the blades are sealed in sterile protective packs. They are now ready to be delivered to hospitals around the world.